Hello, sweet love, and welcome to this guided meditation for new beginnings. You are about to embark on a new path. Step into a different direction, a fresh start. And if you haven't done so yet, I invite you to find a comfortable position, seated or perhaps lying down. And first notice what is around you in your space. What is with you here? And if it feels safe and soothing for you, you can softly close your eyes, otherwise keeping a gentle gaze on a point in front of you. Let us start here by taking a deep breath in, filling up your belly, ribs, and chest with new air, and sighing it out. Release, release, release. Inhale a long breath in, and exhale, sigh it out, softening the tension in your jaw, your chest, and your shoulders. One more rejuvenating inhale together. And exhale out. Slowly lengthening your inhales and exhales to a way that feels natural to you. Gently deepening and expanding your breath. Sweet love, you have arrived at a point of new beginnings. So much has happened. Maybe you are moving somewhere, choosing a new life path, becoming a parent, starting a new habit. Perhaps you're starting a new job or educational path. Maybe it's the start of a new relationship, or perhaps after an ending, the start of finding yourself once more. And as we are moving into this new chapter, I invite you to visualize in your mind's eye a beautiful desert road. Vast stretched land all around you. Sand and shrubs. Some small green cacti here and there. The golden sun gently warming your skin. Just the right temperature, with the soft breeze of the wind caressing your fingertips. And at the end of this road, you see a magnificent mountain. As you softly walk closer towards these hills, towards the mountain at the end of the road, you realize that for so long you have been walking this path, and various aspects, decisions, and circumstances have led you here. And take a moment to acknowledge all those little and big things, choices, people, and opportunities that have led you to this place. And maybe while you continue your path, find a way to thank them, to say your goodbyes as you slowly walk towards the end of this road. And now you've arrived before this grand mountain. What does it look like? What kind of texture does it have? How does the mountain feel? And as you look around, you notice that there is a door nestled into the rocks. What does this door look like? What is it made of? What shape does it have? Because this door is no ordinary door. This door is a portal to your new beginnings. And before you can enter, there is one more thing awaiting you. I invite you to call in all parts of yourself, the ones that might be lingering in the past with these people, places, or experiences. Call them back to you. Call all parts of yourself home, back to your body, for as a whole, you will let go and step into your next destination. And visualize yourself, all of you, standing deeply rooted in front of this door, this portal of new beginnings. Taking some deep breaths in and out here as you absorb the following truths. Today marks the start of endless possibilities. I trust the journey of starting anew. I am open to receiving all the blessings of this fresh start. I am excited to see wonderful transformations unfold. I am capable of achieving greatness in this new phase. I am the author of this chapter, this new book. This is my rebirth, my renaissance. you may step through this portal into your new beginning. Visualize this book becoming alive in front of your eyes, allowing yourself deep breaths as you meet yourself on the other side of this door. What is written on these new pages? What or who are awaiting you here? And now slowly take one last look around you here, knowing that this is waiting for you. This creation, this truth, your renaissance. And gently calling your awareness back to your body. What can you hear right now? Is there a smell you can notice? And then maybe you would like to bring the palms of your hands together in front of you. First feeling the touch of your own fingertips. And perhaps you would like to then rub them together to create some warmth and energy. Really allowing yourself to create this new energy here. And whenever you feel ready, you can lovingly cup your hands onto your eyes, feeling this warmth, and then softly fluttering your eyes back open as you release your hands and witness yourself in this space. On your next inhale, I invite you to bring your hands up and above for clear and loving thoughts. And your hands to your heart for clear and loving intentions. And your hands to your mouth for clear and loving communication. You have arrived, sweet love. And I wish you all the best for this new chapter. Namaste. If you enjoyed this meditation, let us know through pressing the like button. I invite you to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and share this practice with a loved one. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. Until next time, sweet love.